Hey y'all, it's Alina. There's my little bear. Let's see, what is he doing? Bear, my bee's baby. Hi, big boy. There's Duchess right in front of the heater because it's a little cold outside. She just wants to stay in front. Now she's trying to play shy. Are you trying to play shy? Are you playing shy? Who's mommy's baby? Yes, who's mama's baby? Who's mommy's baby? There's my little bear. 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 Hi, mama boy. Look at her. Look at that little look. Like, where's my attention? Here she comes. Yeah, don't forget to comment and make sure you hit that subscribe button.